How can I find the index for a given item in a list in Python? Python lists store items in ordered positions. Each item has an L index. Example: fruits equals apple, banana, orange. Indexes: apple means 0, banana means 1, orange means 2. A very common Python question is, how can I find the index of an item in a list? Python provides a built-in solution, list.index. This topic explains how index works, search behavior, handling missing values, finding multiple matches, performance considerations, best practices, common mistakes. This is a fundamental Python list operation. The basic solution, list.index. Python lists provide list.index value. Example: fruits equals apple, banana, orange. Index equals fruits.index, banana. Print index. Output 1. How index works. Conceptually, start from beginning, compare each item, return first matching index. Important behavior: index returns the first matching index. Example: nums equals 1, 2, 1, 3. Print nums.index1. Output 0. Not. 2. What happens if item does not exist? Example: fruits.index grape. Raises. Value error safe approach using try except try. Index equals fruits.index grape except value error. Print item not found. Checking before searching. Alternative: if banana in fruits, print fruits index banana. Searching within a range. Index supports list index value start stop. Example: nums equals 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. Print nums.index 2, 2. Output 3. Search starts from index 2. Internal search concept list. Items. Sequential comparison. First match found. Return index. Finding all matching indexes. Index returns only first match. To find all matches, nums equals 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. Indexes equals I for I value and enumerate nums if value equals 1. Print indexes. Output 0, 2, 4. Example with strings letters equals A, B, C. Print letters.index C. Output 2. Example with objects. Index uses equality comparison. Example: class user def init self name self.name equals name. U1 equals user John. U2 equals user Mike. Users equals U1 U2. Print users.index U2. Output 1. Performance considerations. List searching is linear search. Complexity O(n). Meaning: quote, Python may scan entire list. Large lists can become slower. Why lists require linear search? Lists are ordered sequences, not indexed by value. Unlike dictionaries, optimized for key lookup. Alternative: dictionary lookup, if frequent lookups are needed. Positions equals value index for index value in enumerate items. Provides faster access. Common beginner mistakes. 1. Assuming index returns -1, unlike some languages. 2. Forgetting only first match is returned. 1, 1, 1. Index 1. Returns 0, 3. Calling index repeatedly inside loops. Inefficient. 4. Item in items. Items index item. Can create unnecessary repeated searches. Better alternative. Use enumerate. Advantages of index. Simple syntax built into Python. Readable. Works for many data types. Best practices. Check. Use index for simple searches. Handle value error safely. Check. Use enumerate for repeated index operations. Check. Avoid repeated linear scans on large lists. Check. Use dictionaries for fast lookups when needed. Simple definition, list.index. A Python list method that returns the position of the first matching item. Simple definition, linear search. A search algorithm that checks items one by one until a match is found. Final summary. To find the index of an item in a Python list, use list.index value. Example: fruits equals apple, banana. Print fruits.index, banana. Output. 1. Important. Sales returns first matching index. Sales raises value error if item not found. Key idea. List.index performs a sequential search and returns the position of the first matching item in a list.